Today, I'm going to try to replace transmission pan and gaskets on a 2003 BMW 745i. I've did a lot of research on the internet. Can't really find nothing. Few blogs about this and that telling you how to do this, or I've had this problem, but no one really showing us how to do it. So I'm going to take this job upon myself. To do it myself from what I've read and did research and questions I've asked. Right? The thing is this transmission has been slipping a lot, and some people are saying that it's either the tranny fluid is leaked out, or the filter needs to be changed, or the fluid needs to be changed. And they also said BMW says the fluid is good for the life of the engine. I've heard people say the opposite. You know, you need to change it every so often. So today, I just came from Napa, which had most of the parts in stock. They just had to order the tranny fluid, which is this right here, ZF Lifeguard, which is pretty expensive, $29 a quart. The BMW usually comes with 9 quarts, so times 29, you have a lot of money. But when you drain it, you won't be able to get all of it out. So they say the max you replace is 2 to 3 quarts. That's why I only bought 3 quarts. You know, I'd rather have enough than not enough. But if I need more, I'll go ahead and do it. How it looks, right? You know, all one piece. Here's your gasket around the end here. Here's your gasket inside right here. Actually, it's on the inside right here, down the creases. Comes with new magnets. Yeah, they're supposed to be stronger magnets, so to collect more of that shavings that end up in the bottom of your tranny. Comes with a new plug right here, so you make sure you get a star wrench. Some people call them hex bolt removers, and 10mm. Black Friday, when I bought me 4 jack stands on sale, Walmart. I think they were $19.99 3-ton, right? $19.99 a piece. No, $19.99 for a set of 2. So I bought 2 sets. 5,000-pound hydraulic jack was $119. Was on sale for $87. Pick that up, right? Because you don't want to get the car off the ground, because it's too low to work on it. You can't even get your head out of the car off the ground. All right. You know, make sure your jack stands are nice and safe. I put 3 up front, felt more comfortable with it being 3. And just stroll to the back. I got 2 in the back there. Got the car off the ground pretty high. Now that I'm under the vehicle, I got me a drip pan, and I got me a pan to catch my fluid, right? So the first thing we're going to do is right there, right behind it. You see the little grooves there that look like fins or whatever? That's the tranny pan. It's right behind this black cover. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that first. Now we're going to get ready to put the fluid in here. And right here, as you can see, I have my Allen wrench already in there, and that's your field plug like you would do on a manual. So we're going to use our pump to pump fluid in there. So we're going to pump fluid in there until it overflows. Once it overflows, you put the top back on, the bolt back in there, start your car up, have another person inside go through the gears, you know, reverse, neutral, drive, while they're on the brake, of course, right? And this time, when you pull the bolt out, since the transmission is sucking up fluid, it won't drip out unless it's full. So once it's full, it'll start dripping out again. So we're gonna go through that. Okay, now I put about 3 quarts in there, and it started to drip out. So now I started the car. I have the bolt kind of loose, and I'm going to start filling it again. Once it gets to about 120 degrees, they say, or running temperature, watch out because the pipes are going to be hot. Now you can tell I have the bolt out now. Now I'm going to start filling it. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, start pumping. And we're just going to wait. I'm pumping it now. And we're pumping now. I'm on quart number 7. Do the gears, babe. Go. All right, now it's starting to pour out. Now it's full. Okay. Pull it. Pull it. Pull it.